you firstly the labels. Labels are same as in every language. Okay, A1, A2, B1, B2 like that. So here
Okay.
is the level is first level is A1,
Okay.
then A2, then
Okay.
B1. B2 is combinedly two levels, B2.1 and B2.2, and C1.1 and C1.2. C2 is also there, but normally do the teachers only. Okay, not everyone.
Okay.
So how,
Okay.
yeah, so how many levels you need? For job purpose, basically minimum B2 is compulsory. It means
Okay.
five levels. Five levels you need to do. If you can do C1, C2, it is the expert level. So your possibility become increase, okay, become strong. Third thing is you can do
Okay.
MA also. MA be possibility also, but MA takes 2 years. And
Okay.
for study purpose, basically A1. Some university offer A1, but if you want to do short selection, then you need to do B2.
Okay.
This is the levels, okay, which need to do.
All
Now
right.
you want to do further study there. So B1 is the basic requirement. B1 you need to do three levels. If you can do B2, your possibility will increase.
Yeah, that is why I filled it up till B1 because I wasn't sure of B2 because obviously it will take a lot of time also.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I am thinking for something February intake.
Mm-hmm.
So till then, I think I'll be able to complete till B1.
Yeah, definitely you can do.
Right. If we have more time, we can definitely go for B2.
And B2 also you can do from Germany also. After reaching there also you can do.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is also possibilities. So now we are starting a small chapter. Okay, it is the first topic is alphabets. Okay, so
Okay.
in every language, firstly we learn the alphabets first.
All
So
right.
basically, we write German as in English. Okay, but sound is different.
Okay.
Normally in English there are 26 alphabet, but
Mm-hmm.
here there are four alphabet are extra. So total 30 alphabets are there.
All right.
Okay, okay. So these are the German alphabets. Now you can see last four alphabet are extra.
Yeah.
These four alphabet are extra. So step by step we are doing. In English, A we say in German it is A. Okay, you need to repeat it also. A means A.
Okay.
In German, in English we write A, but in German it means A. B
Okay.
is a B.
Mm-hmm.
C means say.
Mm-hmm.
D is a day. E means A. F is F like in English. There are no changes. F is F same.
Okay.
G means basically gay.
Mm-hmm.
H is ha.
Mm-hmm.
I means E. J means yacht. Only in alphabet yacht. Whenever we read it is yeah like
Oh.
Hindi, this one. J means yacht. In alphabet we say yacht, but whenever we read, then it is yeah.
Okay.
Okay. K means car, given car, but K means car basically.
Okay.
Next four alphabet are same as in English. L, M,
M
N,
N.
O.
Okay.
O. P means pay.
Mm-hmm.
Q means ku.
Okay.
R means air. Little long R only. Air.
Okay.
S is S. No change. Same as English.
Mm-hmm.
T means T.
Mm-hmm.
U means U.
Okay.
V means fow. Only in alphabet we say fow. Whenever we read, it is f. F.
Okay.
W means way.
Mm-hmm.
X means x.
Mm-hmm.
Y means epsilon.
Okay.
Z means sat. Only in alphabet we say sat. Whenever we read half the and s. Looks like little small the. Looks like s. Like that.
Okay.
Okay, these are 26 alphabets. Some give sound different, some gives as in English. Okay, we are repeating this one.
Mm-hmm.
A means
A.
B means
bear,
bay. It is bay.
bay.
Yes. C means
Sir,
say.
say,
Okay.
okay,
Say.
say.
Hmm. B means
They
very good. E means
are,
A. This one Hindi like A. This one.
okay, A,
F
A,
means
F,
G.
gay,
H.
ha,
I.
E, okay,
J.
yacht,
K.
car,
L.
L, M, N is same.
O is also.
Okay, O is also same.
P means
Pay,
Q.
co,
Q.
Ku, okay.
Yeah. R means
R means
air.
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 Okay, air.
S.
S is S, like
T means
te,
U means
u,
V means
fau,
W means
be,
X means
uh, no idea.
X means X.
Okay, X,
Y.
epsilon,
Z.
and Z is small sir.
Small th and say whenever
Yeah,
we
sir
read in
and
alphabet.
sir.
Yeah, in alphabet we say sat.
Sat, right? Sat.
Okay. Now we are coming last 4 alphabet. Now you can see here one A and here given another A. But only difference is these 2 dot.
Yeah, the
Okay.
dots are different, right?
Yeah, these 2 dot called umlaut. UMLAUT. Umlaut.
Umlaut.
Okay. These 2 dot called umlaut. Okay. Not combined A. Only 2 dot called umlaut.
Okay.
Okay. Normal A is A. A with umlaut, it is a A.
Okay.
Okay. O with umlaut is a Yo. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah. U with umlaut is U. U.
Okay.
Can you repeat it?
A, Eo, and U.
Very good. And last one, this one, it means etc. Alphabet else etc. It means double S. We can write double S as well as this one.
Okay. Double S
Okay.
or this one.
This one, both we can write. Sound is sir.
Okay.
Okay. Again, we are repeating everything again. A.
A.
Is
Be.
A. B.
Be.
Mm-hmm.
De.
Mm-hmm.
A. No, E.
A.
A.
Mm-hmm.
F.
F.
G.
Mm-hmm.
Ha. E.
Mm-hmm.
Yacht.
Okay.
Ka.
Ka.
LMNO.
Mm-hmm.
LMNO. Pay.
A.
Who.
Ku.
Air.
Air.
S.
S.
The.
T.
U.
U.
Fau.
Fau.
Ve.
V.
Ikis.
X.
X. Yeah. X.
Mm-hmm.
Epsilon.
Mm-hmm.
And Iset.
Set. Okay. A with umlaut.
That's A.
A. normal A is A. If the two dot umlaut, then A. है ना? This
Okay.
one A.
A. Normal
Yeah.
A.
Normal A. O with umlaut.
That's U.
Yo.
Yo. Yeah. U is U.
Yeah.
And that's double S.
Double S. At set double S. Sound is sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Take 1 or 2 minutes. Please write all of things.
Yeah, I've already written. I was writing it side by side.
Okay. So now I'm giving you an exercise. For example, I'm writing one name. Manoj. Okay.
Okay.
If we spell out in English, then it is Manoj. If we spell out in German, so it is Manoj. Yacht.
Yeah.
Okay. It is only access for remembering the alphabet. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am writing some more names.
So how we will speak Manoj in German? Like Manoj is a
Manoj
name.
is Manoj. Name is always same in every language.
Yeah, because Manoj is a name, so it will remain same. Just the reading
Only we are
pattern.
doing spell out. We are doing
just
only spell out to remembering the alphabets.
Okay.
Okay, this is the only access for that. Okay. Neh. Try to spell out in German.
Okay. So N will be same. E is A, right? Okay. A. H is Ha. And A is A.
A is A. Good.
Yeah.
Mukesh. Try to spell out it.
Okay. M is same. U is U. K is Ka. E is A. Okay. S
E is A. E is A.
Yeah, E is A. S is S. And H is Ha.
H is Ha. Okay. Next one.
Okay. D is Day. A. Pay. E. Ka. A.
Okay. Good.
It's interesting. It's my first time with German. And it's interesting.
It's very good. Yeah, we must have some interest. If we are taking some interest, then definitely it become very easier.
Yeah.
We try next one. Samir.
Okay. S. A. M. A. R is
Air. Little long R only. Okay. Air.
Just a minute. That's you. We can write it as the pronunciation as ER also, na? Air.
Air.
Okay.
Next name we are writing here. This one, try.
N is N. A. Air.
Air.
A.
A.
S.